So what I'm doing right now is I'm packing my bags. Today is Thursday morning. Gotta catch my flight at 6 p.m. Well, the plane takes off at 6 p.m. So I gotta be there by like 4. Then I'm headed to LA. I'll be in LA by 10. Just do a little vlog for y'all. Look, I don't think what I did is legal. I just got finished packing all of my bags. Let me show you what I look like.
Yo, it's like a turtle shell. Like a mountain.
Alright guys, so I made it to the airport. Flight's taking off at 5, basically 6 p.m. I'm gonna get to Africa on time, that's all I got to say. It's real dead in here, like there's nobody here really. So that's actually kind of cool because there's less stress. People look at you sideways when you take your mask down. What's up YouTube? I didn't get to properly introduce you guys to this video. What you're watching is the process of me going from New York to Los Angeles, then from Los Angeles to New York, and then from New York to Ghana. So currently, what you're watching right here is the New York airport. So they have some type of technology that recognizes your face. I honestly don't know if they're using pictures from Instagram, Facebook, or what, but the technology exists, and that's what they use to confirm my passport. All right, about to get on the plane to Ghana right now.
Hi, how you doing? Welcome aboard. What is your seat number, sir?
23E.
Second aisle to the right, please. Welcome aboard. Hi there.
Hi, thank you. So I forget what airline service this is.
Yeah.
She's asking me if I have my GoPro, but I just want to say this airline customer service is 5 stars. I mean, from the food to how they talk to you to how they treat you, how they joke around with you.
We are delighted to serve you. Thank you
5 stars.
as you join us in wearing face masks and covering on today's flight. Please remember wearing your mask or covering on.
So y'all got to see the food I'm about to eat. I wish I could tell you how good it tasted. They gave me some like Haagen-Dazs cookie dough ice cream, and I couldn't even eat it because I can't eat dairy. But if I did eat dairy, I know I would be having a good time on that plane. I mean, there's people in jail who don't even get to taste Haagen-Dazs ice cream. So I don't know what that had to do with anything, but hey. So what I'm eating right now is a curry fish with spinach and garlic with white rice. And oh my goodness, the plate wasn't big enough. So far the food is good. I feel like I'm in Africa already. The flavor is very, what's the word? Like it's very spicy, it's very curry, it tastes like curry.
juice?
Orange, apple, cranberry, and tomato.
I'll take apple juice.
Like ice?
No ice. Thank you. I feel like I'm in a first-star plane. I'm in a 5-star. I'm in a 5-star plane right now.
Are you talking to someone?
Huh?
Are you talking to
No,
someone?
no. I'm recording. I'm doing a vlog. I'm getting apple juice right now. Thank you. So far, so good. It's really good.
So to the people who care about stuff being organic, the apple juice wasn't like fully apple juice. I could tell it was kind of sugared down, but it was still good. I mean, you can't do any complaining. You're on an airplane, not a farm. So I just gotta say that meal was good. I would go to a restaurant and order that meal if it was available. I can't believe the spinach. I mean not the spinach. I think it was greens. Can't believe the greens were so good. I mean, I hate mushy vegetables, but those greens were on point. Those greens were good.
Partner, thank you.
Would like a can?
Yeah. Thank you.
How's your blog doing? You
Good.
slept all flight. You didn't do your blog.
I stay up pretty much all the time.
Would you like to drink, maybe?
All arriving passengers
Oh, you put it from online? Yeah, I put it online.
COVID-19 testing
Oh, passport
as a key step to avoid the importation and transmission of the virus. Passengers may experience delays on arrival.
Yeah, it won't. It's not taking my passport number. It's saying that it's. No, it's saying that it's. Excuse me.
So at this time, I was trying to like do something with the POS system. At New York, they had us sign this application online and pay like $150 or however much they had us pay, and I did it. And so when I got to the airport,
Information passport number.
the POS system wasn't taking my passport number, but it turns out that you know it was obviously a different way of putting in your passport number.
Mention your passport number to me. Oh, what? That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I put the same number, but wow.
So yeah, I guess it's two ways to skin a cat, but they don't teach you how to use the POS system at all. They just they want it to be self-explanatory, but at that time it was not working for me.
Hello. Yeah, I did the. I paid online already.
At this time,
No,
I was trying to pull up my receipt online,
I'm trying a different phone.
and it wasn't working because I didn't have any internet connection. So I don't think Ghana thought that all the way through, like for foreigners just coming in.
My email? Can you check?
You know, if you get a receipt,
Yeah.
if you get a receipt sent to your email, there's no way you can get it if you don't have internet connection. And at that time, the Wi-Fi just was not working for my phone. So luckily, I had a second phone that I could use, and I pulled it up on the second phone using the Wi-Fi.
Thank you. Oh.
Passengers and stakeholders are to ensure the mandatory wearing of face mask, observation of 1 meter social distancing protocol.
So by this time, I'm getting towards the yellow fever shot.
If you have the pill, I take the pill, but I really.
So the way that they bribe you is by asking you for food. They don't really ask you for money. They say, "Can you give us some food?" And I'm sitting there thinking, because like their accents are so strong, I'm like, why do y'all need food? Y'all got jobs. You know, that's what I'm thinking. But you know, I'm not really understanding that. It's like, give us some money and we won't give you the shot. So at this time, I'm getting my SIM card for my phone, which will give me internet. It'll give me access to calling, text
I got a
message,
couple hundred, like maybe 4.
things like that.
While he's doing this, and go inside to the Furex Bureau and exchange it for CDs.
So Furex Bureau, you see these all around town in Ghana. Obviously, because foreigners are coming in, there's a lot of Furex Bureaus all around town. So at the time, the rate was like $5.90 CDs for $100.
Thank you. How much is it? 596. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, 500. 96.
Cool. So I got my new SIM card, and my old SIM card was put away because it was inactive. The bill was still paid on my old SIM card, so you know I'm still able to make phone calls in the U.S. now.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Thank you. Gracias.
Alright, just touched down at the Ghana airport. About to get into this van.
So pause at 1414. So this guy right here to the right, boom, 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 with the head, with the blue face mask, he was actually trying to bribe me for money. He asking me for money for food for his family, but it's obviously it doesn't have any value behind it. This guy is working an airport job, so he must be making some type of good money. I would assume, you know, better than the average is what I'm saying. But you know, he was acting like he doesn't have any food for his family. Like they throw that guilt trip at you, like I need some food for my family. Can you please give me some money? And honestly, I don't even know like what else to say about that. That was just that experience.
This van, it's pretty like an urban style looking van. Yes. Uncle Lonnie. Hey, everyone.
So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. That was like most of the process. I don't think I missed any clips. I'll double check. But hope you have a good day. And all right, bye.